Welcome to kidsacademy.mobi.
All right, so our worksheet today is called Parachute Math, Subtraction with Regrouping. And regrouping means that we're going to need to borrow some numbers. So the directions say subtract using regrouping. In each row, check the correct total. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out each one of my word problems here, and I'm going to line them up, and then I'm probably going to need to regroup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out the first one, which is 450 minus 241, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the ones place. I need to take 1 away from 0. Well, I can't do that, so this is where I'm going to need to regroup. I'm going to need to turn this into a 10, okay? The way that I do that is I add 10 to whatever number this is, so that's just going to be 10, but I can only do that if I take away from the next row over, which is our tens place. So this is going to be changed into a 4 since I took away 10 and I gave it to this side. So 10 minus 1 is going to be 9, and then 4 minus 4 is 0, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So my answer is 209. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to find that answer, and I'm going to put a check next to 209 since that's my correct answer. Okay, now I'm going to go to the next one. The next one is 870, okay, minus 543. Okay, so once again, in my ones place, I need to take 3 from 10, but I can't do that. I'm running into a problem. So I need to give this 10. I'm going to turn it into a 10. And the only way I can do that is by subtracting 10 from this side. So I'm going to turn that into a 6. It's 1 less than what it would be, or 10 less, because it's the tens place. Okay. So now I'm going to take 10 minus 3, which is 7, and then 6 minus 4, which is 2, and 8 minus 5, which is going to be 3. So I'm going to find the answer, 327. It's actually the first one right here, and I'm going to put a check next to that one. Okay, great job. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is 355 minus 217. Okay, I'm going to take 7 away from 5. Well, I can't do that because 5 is less than 7, so I need to add 10 to this, so it's actually going to be 15, okay, because I'm adding 10 to whatever the number is. So 10 plus 5 is 15, okay? And the way I can do that is by taking it away, or taking 10 away from this one, okay? So I have to turn that into a 4. Don't forget to change that. Now I need to take 7 minus 15. Well, that one is kind of hard. That's a big number. So I'm actually going to write this out to the side just to make sure that I get it correct. So I'm going to draw, 15 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and I need to take away 7. So count with me as I take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This should give you my total. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the answer here is going to be 8. Then 4 minus 1 is going to be 3. And then 3 minus 2 is going to be 1. So the answer is 138. So I'm going to come over here and I'm looking for 138. I don't see it yet. Oh, there it is, 138. Now, if I didn't find the number over here, that would probably let me know that I did something wrong with my math over here. So always make sure that you see the number, but since I do, I'm going to go ahead and check it, okay? Nice job. We've got one more. Great work. The last one is 961 minus 322, okay? So 1 is smaller than 2. So here I'm going to need to regroup or borrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 10 to it, Okay, so I'm going to cross that out and I'm going to turn it into an 11. The only way I can do that is by taking from the 6 and I'm going to turn that into a 5. Okay, it has to be one less since I take away here. So 11 minus 2, so 11, 10, 9, okay? 9 down here in the ones place. And then 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 in the tens place. And in the hundreds place, I've got 9 minus 3. So I have to try to think 9, 8, 7, 6, okay? So I've got 639. Now I'm gonna find that answer down here, 639. Oh, there it is, the last one. Great job today, boys and girls. You guys worked really hard. See you next time.